Welcome back. In the last video, we have created banner profile and displayed banner ad in our project. In this video, we are going to create interstitial profile, customize it, and deploy it to our project. Let's start by navigating to Interstitial Menu. Enable interstitial ads into the project. And here we can find similar fields like we have seen in the banner menu. We have an action that can be invoked when interstitial ad was closed. We can select to do nothing or request next network. It is super useful if you don't want to request interstitial ads each time you want to show it. So basically, you only have to request interstitial ad once, and all other times it will be done automatically by the plugin. Moving on, we are having the same request timer that will call onRequestFailed function if the request response is taking too long. And we can also request next ad network if the current ad network request failed. These settings are set globally, so each interstitial ad profile will share the same settings. Alright, let's create our new interstitial profile. Again, new profile was created with randomly generated profile ID. Keep in mind that IDs cannot be identical, otherwise manager will display an error message and you will not be able to instantiate new ad profiles into the project. Let's rename this one into Game Over. For now, I'm going to skip ad break field, but we will come back to it. Let's select different mediation type. For this profile, I will be using % mediation. Here we can see all available networks that can show interstitial ads. % mediation works very simple. Network with the highest percentage will have the highest chance to be requested. So let's say I want to set Unity ads request percentage to 60. It means Unity ads will have 60% chance to be requested, while other networks will have other 40% to be requested. Let's say I want to set a higher percentage to Iron Source network. You see how it affects Unity ads percentage? It starts to decrease. That's because in the settings, we have enabled fixed percentage value. That means sum of all network percent will always have to be 100. But we can change that by disabling this option in the settings menu. Now, if we come back and try to change the values, we see that we are able to set percentage lower than 100. Let's say we reset our values for Unity ads to 60%, and for Iron Source, I will make 20%. Now there's a 60% chance to request Unity ads and 20% chance to request Iron Source ads. But also, there's an extra 20% to not request any network at all. But for now, I want to request ad each time, so I will set extra 20% for Unity ads network. Alright, let's test this ad profile and check if it's actually working. I will enter play mode. Again, our scene manager and ad networks has been initialized, so now we can navigate to Interstitial Menu and fill in our new interstitial ad profile ID. Great! Now we have created our interstitial profile. Here we are getting that our interstitial profile has been successfully instantiated. So let's request our new ad. Here in the console, we are getting that % mediation selected Unity ads network. And once again, interactive ads loaded our requested ad. So when the request is loaded, we can finally show our interstitial ad to the screen. I will press Show button and interstitial ad will appear. Here we can see that our Game Over interstitial ad has been shown. And if it would be a real ad, then it would be requested from Unity ads network. Now let's close our ad and check our console. After showing and closing ad logs, we're getting messages that interstitial ad network has been destroyed. This action is done automatically by AdKit plugin, because once interstitial ad has been shown, it cannot be shown again. That means if we want to show second interstitial ad, we need to request it again. Here you can see that once again, requested network was Unity ads. If you try to show it, ad will appear on the screen, and if you try to close it, requested interstitial ad network will be destroyed. Using % mediation comes with one disadvantage. If we try to request ad one more time, in the console we can see that requested ad network is again Unity ads. That's because Unity ads has the highest chance to be requested. But what if we don't want to display the same network over and over again? For this case, AdKit provides a solution. If we exit play mode and come back to the manager, here we have a new field that is available when % mediation is selected. We can specify amount, how much same network can be requested in a row. So if I change amount to, let's say, 2, then, for example, Unity ads can be requested maximum 2 times in a row. After that, next network, according to percentage, will be requested. I will set Unity ads percentage higher in order to demonstrate how this function works. So Unity ads has 95% chance to be requested, while Iron Source has only 5%. Let's enter play mode. Navigate to Interstitial Menu and fill in our profile ID. Then we can instantiate our ad profile and try to request. Here we can see that requested network was Unity ads. If we scroll down, we can see that our ad profile has a request limit, and current ad network has one more request left before next network will be requested. Let's show and close this ad, and now try to request it again. Once again, here we can see that our requested network was Unity ads. I will show and close it again, and now if we try to request, in the console we're getting extra message. Here we can see that we have started requesting Unity ads network, but this network has been shown 2 times in a row. So that means show limit has been reached and new network has been requested, in this case Iron Source network. And finally, request finished and interstitial ad was loaded. If we try to show it, we are getting Iron Source interstitial ad. Alright, so that's it for this video. Now we have 2 ad formats up and running in our project, and in the next video we will set up rewarded ads. They are similar to interstitial ads, but they also have some differences, which I will explain in the following video. So stay tuned.